All right, fam, we've got somewhat of a lengthy drop, so let's go ahead and get the shouts out of the way. Thanks, Suburban Beard. Thanks, Mastering Mayhem. They're the ones who found the unicorns that'll be featured later in this video. But let's dive right into the first deal. A couple of y'all shared a deal with me not long ago that featured the blower, the fuel chainsaw with the 16-inch bar and chain not long ago. It featured an 8.0, a rapid charger, etc., etc. I didn't think it was a good deal then. I still don't think it's that good of a deal, fam. Those prices, you'd never catch me paying those. Regardless, this is a similar kit, in my opinion, a superior kit. It features the same Gen 2 blower, the same 16-inch chainsaw, but it also features right there, 12.0 battery. And it's $20 cheaper, fam. So if you guys have been saving up Acme Tools coupon codes or whatever, drop them in the comments down below. I'll pin it. Hopefully everybody can get a use out of it and drop that price even lower. Although at $419 for a $200 battery, you're really getting the blower and the chainsaw for about $100 a piece with the rapid charger free. In my opinion, that's a good deal. Moving on, they've begun dropping the prices on the Bosch stuff over at Lowe's. And yes, I know everybody knows these prices will drop further. Right now you can get the Bosch Starlock Plus for $149. I do believe that price will go down a bit. Regardless, it stacks with the 4.0 starter kit there from Bosch. I do think they need to get rid of these starter kits. Y'all know how it goes when it comes to batteries and tool companies. You can't have them on the shelf without charging for a long time. Those batteries will die. So if you guys see any sort of battery kits with tools, not the bare tools, but any sort of kit that don't sell, don't get impatient, just wait it out. They will eventually drop in price. Small price drop here on the Cobalt green line laser level. I love this laser level. And I have seen the pricing is all wacky on this laser. I've seen some stores down to $12. One store near me was down to $19. That's where I picked up mine up. But a lot of them are showing out of stock. Nevertheless, if you find it, just know it will be pretty cheap. And it's a green laser. Can't go wrong with green lasers. Also, small price drop on the hex set. I like this hex set. It includes multiple different sizes. I wonder why BrickSeek doesn't save the inventory pool anymore. It should. Nevertheless, this will take a minute, fam. It's showing an A. Did they just pull it? Let's see if it worked now. Nope. Well, this set is supposed to be down to around $7 if you can find it. Looks like they're updating the inventory right now while I'm doing BrickSeeks on Lowe's. Also, this is that oscillating unicorn I was telling you about. Some Lowe's have it down to $33. All my Lowe's are at 50 some odd dollars. Nevertheless, that is a fantastic price for a decent oscillating tool, which features the same beautiful insert mechanism that the DeWalt oscillating tool features. It's a full kit, fam. Full kit, features 15 well, I don't know if it comes with 15 accessories, but it's a 15-piece kit, which means you're getting the tool, the battery, and probably I don't know, I want to say like 12 pieces for your oscillating kit there. Maybe sandpaper, a sander, 3 or 4 different blades. So I don't own the kit. I don't know what comes with it, but you know, it comes with everything straight from the box that you need to go to work. And for 55 bucks, you can't beat that unless you find it for 30 some odd dollars. Pretty solid there. Southwire 7-in-1 multi-tool is down to, come on, scroll. I had to reset again. Southwire, if you don't know, is a very good electrician's tool maker. Very, very good stuff. $16.99 for the 7-in-1. I prefer this over the Milwaukee. All right, it's pretty good electrical pliers. I don't know. I keep one in my bag. I also have the wire stripper in my bag from Southwire. Like I said, good stuff there. And finally, good luck finding this one. I seriously doubt you guys will, but it is possible. Go check out Suburban Beard's video from today. It features a find here. 104. It comes with the 5.0 and the top off. Let's see if it'll pull inventory from my area. Any minute now. Oh my goodness, I could have driven to the store and back at this point. Come on, Ryan Reynolds lookalike. Where we at? All right, that should do it. No results found in the searched area. So like I said, a serious unicorn here, fam. If you get lucky enough to find it, because the inventory is wonky on this item, you can't go wrong. It's a 5.0 with the top off. These usually go for $149, and when they are available, they do usually sell out. So as usual, all these BrickSeek links and the Acme tool link and the Lowe's link, whatever else I featured in this video will be in the description down below. That's going to be it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.